Fy later on. So this is all about the global declaration of the parameter, and geometry we already been constructed. Now go for your the part in which the laminar flow. What we need the fluid property first. So fluid property we have already been mentioned. You can directly go this, and this all domain is already been selected. You can click on this user defined, and this is rho is basically your density. You can directly write rho, and this is you also you can use this for user defined. You can say I can use mu. So this is the equation. When you compare it, what you want here, it is replaced by the PR. Mu is replaced by PR, and this is the reference pressure, which is not here because they are already been elaborated. But I am using some reference pressure, so it may contain little bit deviation from the values taken by this paper, but you have already been used. Yeah, pressure you wish to use a user defined, so you can use P naught. So this velocity you can take from the earlier already defined velocity profile. So we use velocity field SPF. So here below the is user defined, you can give it the value K, which is globally declared as a 1, and fluid you did not leave it. And for the density you can also use it again, rho, and this is basically your Cp. And this thing you can choose it as a 1. You can click here, go to the volume force. So what I am going to add, this is called the body force. So I wish to add all domain, and I can write here the Fy is already been and T. So if you can write TC here, but TC value of TC is 0 here, so you can write this. So next thing I wish, you can go here. So pressure point value is basically you have chosen 0, and you can take any point as the pressure point. So this is all for the laminar flow. Wall are having velocity 0 0, so no slip. Now go for this heat transfer in fluid. So model is this, okay. And if you wish to add heat flux or the temperature conditions, you have to take the temperature condition independently. So temperature first is you wish to take the cold, so the both walls are the cold, you can use it as a TC. So next you wish to use it as a hot wall, so you can go for temperature again, you can use TH. So both are the hot walls. So this is all about declarations and thermal insulation. Okay, so problem is that in this model, when you go on the introduction part, so governing equation, you can see that only one wall is cold. So this is the adiabatic. So I don't want this to be a cold, so I wish to click it again. So only 4 is this. So next I go for this, the meshes. I go for the physics control mesh. I can build it. So this is your mesh. You can even go for more refined mesh. I'll in order to avoid so if you go for the more finer mesh, so obviously your system required more configuration, more good, but I will wish to take the approximate solution. So I'll go for this normal mesh, and I go for the steady solution. I click at this, I just go on, computing all this. So you can see that here there is a progress, convergence matrix, solving linear system. So everything is mentioned here. So if you click on here, you can see the convergence plot. Yeah, the error is go on decreasing, so it will converge. Computation is 99% is now in progress. So this is basically your surface plot, and if you wish to check the contour, you can click here. So this is your surface plot. If I go and check whether it is correct, so the problem is that I have been taken RA is 0 here, so that's why I am not getting this type of this. But if I wish to see the RS, so what I wish to check, I can go for the solver here. There is a study extension is there. When you click it on it, you can write on auxiliary speed, and from there when you wish to add this, you can see that there are several parameters which we have used. This I can click on this and I can add the values. Like if we wish to add 1000, then 10,000, or you can just 1E5 or 1E6, 10 is for 5, 10 is for 6. So this is the sweep, we can use it. And now if you wish to go again back to the solver, you can compute it again. So now I can get this type of results, and you can say that this is for RA4 and this is the values of RA which you can see, and just go on changing. And if you wish to see the contour, you have to click on here for the contour. This is for the this you can use it for the parent value, and you can even use the sweep here. So what I wish to check, I can see here the first graph on this. This is your first graph. The Prandtl value is 0.2, which is already fixed, and the heating is the uniform heating. So RA is this. So my isotherm, the temperature should be this. So I can check here whether this is correct or not. This is something like that. It's not visible here. So I'll go for the, there is the option is called level. When you click on this, you can see that the option is now mentioned here. If you wish to change the color, you can change the color. Even you can use it the black color. Yes. Now this is the actually. Now it seems that this is not the same, but I'll just confirm that whether it is same or not for this particular case. So what I am this, I can change the precision. The precision is basically is used is 4. So you can change the quality and the resolution also. So this is the resolution is now been increased, and this is the temperature, and you can see that this is the almost same results is with this console. And I am not going to verify exactly, but still I can check for the other. The second is for the same, but relay is now been changed. You can just go back and just go on change the value of relay number is 10 raised to power 5. You just plot it. this is your results. Now the resolution is absurd because I am not using the exact calculation, because finite element mesh I make more denser, so it will take a time for my laptop to converge this such a resolution. So I'll go for the preciser one. And even if you wish to use this, I think it will not help you a lot, but still I can check it whether it's going the same. Yes, the results is almost same. So value of this is going to here and salute it. It may differ a little bit because you are using the pressure term, but still you can this verify this approximately. And this is the next thing is uniform heating with the higher Prandtl number. You can change the Prandtl number, just directly go back and change the Prandtl number value here and this. This is all about for using uniform heating.